You search for how to buy shares of Nexstar Media Group Inc. Nexstar is a U.S. broadcast and digital media company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NXST. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy NXST, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NXST to find Nexstar Media Group Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct Nexstar listing. Check the exchange and ticker one more time before continuing. To place a trade, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your NXST position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link to eToro, check the description below.